One more thing about using NC Viewer. If you cancel out of the web browser and you close it, you have just lost all of your information. So heed this as a warning. We're not quite finished. Just when you write your program, you do need to go through and do one last step. And as you'll notice up here, we have new file, open file, or save file. So you do need to make sure that you are saving this file. So just go ahead and click save. It will automatically download it by whatever it is in there. Then we're going to have to kind of do some changing or rearranging of that particular file there. With this as we get started. So, and I'll go more into that at the time. So make sure that you save your file by downloading it and understand where it's going and where you're saving this program at on your computer that you're using when you do it.